Catherine Choi and I am the co-owner of Hanji Gifts, and today we've decided to start our very first YouTube video on our very brand new YouTube channel. And what we've decided to share with you today is how to wrap a gift with this amazing Hanji rope. And if you've never used this before, then you're in for a treat. If you've seen us wrap gifts at Hanji Gifts with this amazing rope, then you know what we're talking about, and now you have a reference so you can learn how to do it yourself. So keep watching to find out how to make a beautiful paper flower with the awesome paper rope. Just wanted to show you what I was talking about, paper flower, before you watch Hanji, my business partner and life partner, wrap a gift with our Hanji rope. So I'm just going to flip this around so you can see what I'm talking about. I pulled some examples. Right now I'm at our Queen Street location, which is at 940 Queen Street West in Toronto, Canada. I'll let you see what it looks like. It's beautiful. Check it out. What? It's huge, and there's so much stuff here. So this is our gift wrapping station at our Queen Street West location. Any gift that's purchased you can have wrapped for free. You can also bring your gifts from the outside and we charge a fee for the wrapping, but here's what I mean by a paper flower. So we have a few examples here. One of my staff made this beautiful flower. They even got a little creative with some stem work, as you can see. This looks like a gorgeous wrapping for Christmas time. It looks like a little poinsettia. And here are just some little examples that we show customers when we're wrapping, when we're offering them a rope as an option. We also wrap gifts with ribbon, but for today we're just going to show you how to wrap a gift with the rope. Alright, well, I hope you enjoy this instructional video. Bye! Today we are using Scotch tape, a black box as our pretend gift, scissors, an X-Acto knife, paper rope, and wrapping paper for this wrapping video. Let's begin. First, you want to measure your paper so that you have enough paper length to cover the gift, plus a little bit extra. The Hanji is using a different technique than scissors. Normally we use a cutting board and an X-Acto knife, but since we didn't have one, he's doing it this way, as you can see. Please be careful if you're going to cut your paper this way. You want to leave enough paper on the sides, about 2/3 the height of the box on each side, so a little bit more than half on each side, so that you have enough paper cut to cover the sides without too much extra. Now he's going to cut it. You want to wrap your paper around your gift really tight so you don't have air pockets, and one piece of tape should do, depending on the size of your gift. Now here's the special part. Pay close attention. You're going to push those sides in, push them all the way to the side of the box and crease them very crisply. Now he's going to set that aside so he can show you on the top side here, all the way to the edge, and make it nice and crisp. Pull the bottom side down first and then the top. Now flip it up to get your crease to match up with those corners, and one piece of tape. And now he'll do the next. Watch carefully here. It's a cool way of making it perfectly symmetrical. Fold that over, and one piece of tape. There you go. Now it's time for the paper rope. Now we sell this paper rope at Hanji. It comes in many different colors. We have a thick version and a thin version. Here he's using the thick one. He wraps it around twice. And you'll see when he ties it, you'll notice he has a long piece and then he cuts another short piece there. You want to fold your rope in half so that you can find your center. Pop that in the middle, wrap it around, nice and tight. Now here you want to tie it really tightly. Don't worry, the paper rope won't snap, it's super strong. And I was going to grab that extra piece you cut, tie that on a diagonal so that you have an X shape. Here's the magic part. It's going to untwist it, unfurl it to create the flower petals. You don't want to untwist it too much unless you want to have a long flower petal. For this size box, you'll need to untwist it about 2 inches up. And then he's going to trim the ends on a diagonal. And there it is. Just fixing it, making it look alive and fluffy. There we are. And voila! I hope you liked our video. If you would like to see more content, please subscribe to our channel, like this video below, and we'll be sure to be sharing lots more videos with you about all the things you can do with our amazing products here at Hanji Gifts. Have a great day. Bye!